what's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today we have another banger. I have the Fb-28 from Flight Foam. I forgot what it was. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below so you guys can get these plans for free. Awesome, very simple. It's about 4 to 5 simple parts, and that's it. The only thing I did different is added an Edf unit to it, and I'm trying to make it basically so that way nothing is in the bottom at all. Nothing at all. Had the same Edf unit that was in our Viggen, and that's basically it. And on the Versa as well. Let's get up in the air. It's very weak. Wonder if I try a 4S, would it work? It's very weak. Last time I had it on the Versa, it was really fast. And this is actually a better setup than what it was last time. So I'm kind of confused on why is it so slow, but let's try it again. It's like really slow. I guess we could use this to practice. Teach my wife how to fly on full throttle. Maybe I should put a smaller thrust tube in the back, right? For some reason, I forgot to tell you, for some reason I have to use this old remote today because my DX6i, for some reason, every single time I had it was a 4-channel airplane. I had everything was working, everything, all the inputs was working. But as soon as I connected it to my wing with the same receiver, same remote, literally my elevator was working, but left and right was not working at all. So I thought it was my servos because it was using new servos, but it so happened that it's not even just that, it's just the remotes, I guess. Because as soon as I plug this remote, it works. But let's get in the air. It's a little better. Way better. That's nice. Wow. It's a hover plane. Even inverted. I wish I knew how to stall. Let's get some low passes. Bring her back. Bring her down. That was very smooth. Very smooth. All right, guys, we're good. I don't think I can run 4S on there, so we're not gonna try that ever again. Not enough power. Yeah, I definitely have to close this big thrust tube that I thought it was gonna work back here. I'm gonna have to definitely throw her into the wind and get her up in the air. Yeah, guys, I gotta fix that. So we're gonna go home and fix that. Bring her in for a landing. You think she could come off the ground? Nope. She definitely doesn't have enough power to get off the ground. It's cool how the smoke comes. It's not even smoke, guys. That was cool. Go get the airplane for Dad. Get the airplane for Dad. Go, go, go. All right, guys. That was it for today's video. I'm actually going to go home and I'm going to put a thrust tube, a real thrust tube back there. I'm going to make it out of the poster board. And I'm going to do another video on it. And I actually have a surprise. It's been a couple, maybe a week and a half, but it should be here this week or next. It's already here, but I'm just gonna tell you guys, I bought the mini FT Flurkin and I bought a motor for you guys, and I'm actually gonna give that away. So to start off everything, everybody's already entered, but I need to know everybody that's in the channel because I can't fully see everybody that's subscribed to the channel. There you go. Thank you so much, Pops.
Right?
Yes, thank you. Yeah, we gotta turn it off. So all you have to do is comment on these next couple videos that we're gonna be posting in these next couple days. Basically, you can comment anything, thumbs up, period, question mark, anything you guys like. It don't matter, but that will automatically enter you, so I could write down your name on the list again like I did last time, and we're gonna do another spin wheel. So, and then I have another surprise, but that surprise I'm gonna wait till we hit 200 subscribers and I am going to reveal the surprise. I already ordered it as well. I'm actually gonna throw in 2 servos as well with the mini Flurkin that I'm gonna give you guys. So, all right, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so that way you guys can get notified every single time I drop a new video. All right, guys, stay creative.